Are you looking for the best sauna blankets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sauna blankets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RRGFB Infrared Sauna Blanket. The RRGFB Sauna Blanket offers a unique way to detoxify your body while enhancing skin health. As you use this blanket, you can sweat out toxins and impurities, leading to a refreshed and revitalized feeling. It also helps boost circulation and metabolism, making it easier for you to burn calories and support your weight loss goals. After a session, you can enjoy deep relaxation, which may improve your sleep quality. With its user-friendly remote control, adjusting the time and temperature to your preference is simple, providing a comfortable and private sauna experience at home. What we like: detoxification benefits, adjustable heating and timing, durable and safe construction, convenient at-home use, stress relief and relaxation. What we don't like: possible zipper issues, no manual included. Number 2. EHINI Infrared Sauna Blanket. The EHINI Sauna Blanket is designed for your home use, offering a convenient way to detox and relax. It promotes deep sweating, helping you eliminate toxins while being gentle on sensitive skin. You can relieve stress and enhance your overall wellness with customizable heat settings that speed up recovery and reduce discomfort. In just 30 minutes, this blanket rejuvenates your skin, promoting elasticity and a youthful glow. Plus, its far-infrared technology boosts metabolism and helps you burn calories, making it an effective tool for weight management. What we like: quick heating, portable and compact, customizable settings, easy to use, includes carrying case. What we don't like: occasional zipper issue. Number 3. X-Vcak Portable Sauna Blanket. The X-Vcak Sauna Blanket is designed for your convenience and safety. Its heating wire is safely encased in cotton, preventing burns while you enjoy your sauna experience. You can easily set the temperature between 86 and 158 degrees Fahrenheit and choose a timer for 20 to 60 minutes, allowing you to relax without worrying about overheating. This portable sauna lets you indulge in spa-like treatments at home, saving time and effort. Plus, it folds up for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for any space. What we like: soothing relaxation, quick heating, adjustable temperature settings, convenient and portable, high-quality material. What we don't like: can feel warm, not hot. Number 4. mysuntown Infrared Sauna Blanket. The mysuntown Sauna Blanket offers a unique way to relax and rejuvenate at home. It helps boost your metabolism and detoxify your body while enhancing circulation and reducing muscle tension. You can easily control the temperature, ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tailor your sauna experience to your liking. With a timer that lets you set sessions from 20 to 60 minutes, you can find the perfect duration for your needs. Plus, its high-quality materials ensure safety and comfort, giving you peace of mind during your wellness routine. What we like: portable and convenient design, effective for relaxation and detoxification, adjustable temperature settings, includes carrying bag for storage, durable, well-made materials. What we don't like: buttons not clearly marked, heating time can be slow. Number 5. TDT Infrared Sauna Blanket. The TDT Sauna Blanket is designed to enhance your wellness through infrared heat therapy. With adjustable temperatures ranging from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, you can tailor your sauna experience to your liking, promoting better blood circulation and metabolism. You can also set the duration of your session between 30 to 60 minutes, allowing for a customizable and convenient relaxation experience. The blanket features a remote control, so you can make adjustments comfortably while lying down. Additionally, safety is prioritized with overheat protection, ensuring your peace of mind as you enjoy your personal sauna at home. What we like: Easy to use. Effective for sweating. Home sauna alternative. Good heat level. Automatic safety shut-off. What we don't like. Sticky interior surface. Remote control issues.